The blue economy encompasses all economic activities related to the sustainable use of ocean resources. Interface solutions support the thriving and growing global blue economy by providing sensor technologies for various aquaculture activities. For instance, interfaces load cells are employed to monitor the weight of fish in tanks or nets, aiding in efficient feeding and growth management. In offshore oil and gas operations, our load cells are utilized to measure the weight of equipment and materials during installation and maintenance procedures. Interface understands that maritime applications are some of the most complex because they require specially designed test and measurement equipment to handle the often harsh environments in testing, monitoring, and ongoing operational use. Our interface expert engineers can help design customizable solutions for blue economy applications using our products designed for offshore, underwater, and splash zone locations.